But Walter Sisulu himself never became the president of the ANC. But he was not intimidated to go and recruit talent that was better than him. When not the talent that is better than you block the gate. Because it must be about you. So Walter Sisulu recruited Mandela. They even call him their mentor. Sometimes your talent is precisely that. You know how to bring the best of the best into the fold. It does not automatically translate into positions. Because leadership is not quite the position. Position ya upalla. Babang balena realifa. 3 years of all we are doing is you want us to sing leadership idumela. That's when you are a leader. Ufunhlala ngaphambili. Never, ever subject or accept the cultures of leading that boost individual egos. Let us lose ourselves, comrades, to the struggle. Let us do the dirty job all the time. Let us be humble like that. Leadership is the person who sets up the tables, who arrives first and takes out, makes sure the chairs are here. That's leadership. It's service. Leadership is not arriving, or you may think maybe us when we arrived here was when we were coming in when you were here. No, we know how these tables were put. We know how many chairs are in here. We're the ones that tested the sound. We're the ones that put everything with our bands. Leadership is service. If all of us arrive like an occasion in the EFF, nobody's going to serve. So there won't be chairs. They won't even know where to sit. Leadership is service. Leadership is that person who arrives first and leaves last. Because they are serving. You must pour the water. You must clean after. That's leadership. If we adopt that approach, the individual will disappear and the organization will flourish.